Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Faris Muhammad Azhar. You can call me Achai. I am from the Chef 3B class. Without waste our time today, I will show you my two product, which is oven and microwave. I will explain one by one. Okay? I will explain the function of oven first. Did you know the function both of them? What is oven? Oven is a thermally insulated chamber that is used for baking, heating, drying purposes. An oven is one of the most commonly used appliances in the culinary world. There have many types of oven, which is kilns, furnaces, which are used for metalworking and pottery are quite different from their culinary cuisine. An oven performs the additional job of baking and hence is very popular used for baking bread. What is microwave? Microwave is employ the dielectric heating method. The microwave is not suitable for cooking certain food. This is due to the fact they do not produce the culinary effect needed in the cooking of the certain food. Microwaves are available in different sizes such as portable or desktop, compact, medium capacity, large capacity, and built-in. But ovens are quite hefty in size and are not as compact. In conclusion, one can say that while the primary task of microwaves is heating food and oven is a multi-purpose appliances that are play an important part in the culinary world. And thanks for watching for this video guys. Please subscribe.